we say gopas and gopis, and males and females. But ultimately, the body we're speaking about is Satchidanand. It's totally transcendental. And not only Satchidanand, but it's Premanand. Premanand Sarup, Prem Sarup. So this is already the idea of a Satchidananda Atma, or the Satchidananda spiritual body, is inconceivable. And the idea that that body of the pure, liberated Premika soul in a Siddha Sarup is actually a Bhav Deha. It's totally made of Prem, consciousness, Krishna consciousness, Chaitya. That's it. So that consciousness, what is it? It's not male or female. There's no designation. There's no upadi there, male or female. But they're functioning in different external forms that look like male or female. So there's no restriction there. Just like the caterpillar, he by his genetic process or whatever, he becomes butterfly, totally changes.